Hello, welcome to the class. This is COM 254 Intercultural Communication. I'm your instructor, Miss Wonkwala. I wanted to go over a little bit of the Blackboard so you'll know kind of how to navigate through things if you have any questions. And some of the things I go over will be in your syllabus quiz as well. And so, as I said before, I'm your instructor, Miss Wonkwala. You can learn a little bit more about me if you click on the link here to my Animoto video of a little, I guess, highlights of it. I love SpongeBob and I love Marvel movies, and I really enjoy teaching. I really believe in what I teach. And I also am an author, mentor, and speaker. You can check all that out at chloemgooden.com, and it's a singles women ministry as well. Outside of that, you can learn more at the Animoto video. And so I want to show you this part first because it has on here my information. I am an online instructor, so I do not actually have a location on main campus or any other campuses. It is online. So my phone number is there for my office number here, as well as my online Skype. And as far as when it comes to office location, when it comes to a meeting that you need, or if you need to have some type of question, we would have to actually set that up through either Skype or a phone call. My office hours can be found here as well. I do ask that if you do call outside of these hours, please keep it between 9 to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. And I will try my best to get back to you within 24 to 48 hours, not including weekends or holidays. But these are my office hours. I do suggest to let me know ahead of time if you might want a meeting or a call, so that way I know for sure that I am free. But this is all in the My Instructor tab. Now, when you first sign into your Blackboard, it should go straight into the announcements. Now, it's nothing right here now because I haven't sent out this video yet. But in the beginning of the class, you'll see the announcements. I'll use this for any updates for the class. So definitely I always want to look here first. Here, after that, you have the syllabus and start here. And so your syllabus is right here. I do suggest that you read thoroughly through it all. This will also be in your syllabus quiz as well. Make sure to go over email etiquette, as well as my late policy, as well as when it comes to any type of policies they have going on with the school when it comes to student conduct, etc. Please ensure to read that thoroughly so you're aware of what I expect in the class. Now, it will have on there that we will try our best to contact you back within 24 hours after. Please, I do suggest to really wait 24 to 48 hours just because we do have a lot of students. So when you email me, keep in mind to wait at least about 24 to 48 hours. And remember, it doesn't include weekends and nor holidays, okay? But make sure to go over that in the email etiquette. And then after that, if you have never taken an online course, it'd be really good to go through this portion. It'll show you more about online classes, some things that you'll need for the class, etc. After that, you'll see grades. And so here is where you'll see updates for your grades after you turn in your assignments. The course calendar is just here for your convenience. Now, I do also have the link for you all if you want to actually print the calendar. And so I actually probably move it to the top. But if you would like to print it, I suggest to print it. I'm more of a hands-on person, so I can check off what I've done for the week. But it's also here too if you just want to kind of check it from your phone quickly. After that, you'll see course content. You will only need this if you would like to use the PowerPoints to study for the actual proctored final exam, because you do have a proctored exam for this course. Also, if you would like to use that as a review before you take your quizzes. And then, of course, you have your book, which I'll show you where that is. And then you'll also need this for one of your discussion boards with it. So just keep that in mind. But I'll direct you to come back here. After that, you have McGraw-Hill Connect. So this is where you'll have access to your ebook. Your ebook is part of your course fee. So you don't have to purchase it unless you would like to purchase a loose leaf version. But when you signed up for the class, it was part of the fee. So if you click here, this will take you straight into the McGraw-Hill Connect when it comes to the actual ebook and the class. However, ensure to click on one of the assignments first so that it will link you to the course, or it will not drag over your quizzes, etc. that you take. So all of your quizzes that you take are here. What it is that you actually read through the chapter, and then it'll have questions towards the end of it, just to kind of see where you are, what you know, as far as your memorization. I do suggest to take notes, really study, because your proctored exam is in person, and you will not be able to use a textbook or any notes. So keep that in mind. Ensure to read and go over your quizzes. After that, you will see the assignments tab. Anytime you see an assignment on your calendar, this is where it will be located other than the discussion board. Okay. I believe the only thing that is missing here, it must have disappeared on me. I have to make it available to you. But your article, your news article cultural reports will be submitted here, and also your marriage cultural report. And I'll add that. I'm sure why that's not showing for me right now. But it'll all be here. Your marriage one is a group one. I will send information after the class goes about a week, who you will be paired with and how to do that. Okay. After that, you have the discussion board. As I was saying, this is where you'll go for anywhere you see the discussion board. Ensure that you read the rules up top in regards to the discussion board. Here's more information about proctored exam if you've never taken one, where to register, what exactly is a proctored exam, and then I actually will have the proctored exam probably right around here when it starts. After that, you have some help when it comes to Blackboard and library and study help, and then tech help if you have any information or issues. If you have any issues when it comes to the book and or when it comes to Blackboard, Blackboard is where you will contact. Now for McGraw-Hill, I have that here. This is the number you'll contact. I cannot answer questions when it comes to McGraw-Hill. That's a whole system in itself with it, so you will have to contact them with any issues. Other than that, that is all I want to go over with the Blackboard. Of course, if you have any questions or concern, please do not hesitate to email me. And sure to check the email etiquette, though, to ensure that you email me correctly. I hope you have a great semester.